Good morning, my dudes. So, another day fishing. Welcome to the channel. My name is Gracia, and today the babe and I are heading out to meet up with one of his buddies that he's known for about 30 years. He is a boat captain, a fishing boat captain, and he has invited us onto his boat today to do some fishing. So that is what we are going to do today. It's also serving another purpose. We've been talking about getting a boat, and this is going to help decide if I can handle it, if I get seasick or not. So it is 4:45 in the morning, and we are getting ready to head out here in beautiful San Diego. Let's get it. Sure smells bad down here.
Huh?
I said, sure smells bad down here.
Love that smell.
That's what Adam did. He goes, I'm like, ugh, okay. Don't rock the boat.
I'll be rocking all day long.
Oh, man. This is one of the charter boats.
Good. Jump on. Out the day.
Oh, yeah. I get that when I close my eyes and it's really sunny, I can see all the stars in my...
Back out on the personal.
What's happening, man?
Not much.
Go do some.
We're at the bait barge.
They have the San Diego one go by and they're like, custom 105 foot, all aluminum. I'm like, that one's all aluminum?
Morning. Good morning.
Morning. How much again?
Oh, I guess. There you go. Tell Mark you're all out of bait. All right, man. Thanks.
Have a good one.
All right. Thank you. That's Dog Beach. Right? That's Dog Beach?
Figure out what our drift's doing, and it's going all the way down the bottom. Just slight thumb pressure all the way down until you feel that thing stop, and then throw that lever on the right up.
Ah!
You're all right. Just keep letting it go. Light thumb pressure. Nope. A little bit more. There you go.
And then throw, okay, it's at the bottom, I think. Throw what?
Oh, you got. You're
what? It stopped.
Oh, got lash.
Sorry.
Just like that. Perfect.
And then, John, am I throwing this lever right here?
What's that?
Am I, what am I?
You'll just flip that one up. Once it's down the bottom, probably got a little bit to go still.
Okay, I think I'm down now, yeah?
Yep, throw that lever up. Alright, so now you got a weight on there, so you'll feel kind of tugging or something like that. If you do, I put it underneath my left armpit.
Oh, your left.
Yeah, under your left armpit.
Ooh.
Then if you start getting bit, turn that handle as fast as you can until you feel it load up and get heavier, and then you can slow it down, just nice steady retreat.
So just reel until.
Yeah, you'll really fast. You think you're going too fast, go faster.
Okay, and is it backwards or forwards?
Forwards.
Forward, okay.
It'll only go one way. Put your finger on the spool and make sure you're down the bottom.
Like, what do you mean?
Thumb on the spool, so you can put your left thumb on the spool. So usually, when I'm doing it, I'm fishing like this. So this, I'll be having this hand right here the whole time.
Okay.
That way, you know, then if I got a left thumb on the spool, in and out of gear right here.
That's this thing?
Yep. So
should I
pull
just?
that back. It's a little stiff. There you go, and they just drop it down. Make sure you're on the bottom. You're good. One bite. Yeah, you're good. We'll get you set up on another one, man. Yeah.
Okay, I might have something on there too. Should I just start reeling?
Yeah.
I can't. Even if I don't have anything on there, it's still a bitch. Oh, I got something.
Yeah, there you go. Another nice red. That's good right there. So swing them
Bring it
over
in.
to me. Yep, and then put your rod butt on the ground.
The what?
Rod butt on the ground.
Oh,
So usually when you see them, you want about 5 or 6 feet of line.
okay.
There you go. That's a nice red too. Sweet. All right. Get you rigged up. Yeah, those ones are nice because you don't have to do the level wind back and forth. Polaris. It's not too bad. It takes a little practice to get it down. Taste. What do you do with them tacos? Oh, tacos. I mean, you can't go wrong with just a little bit of butter and some garlic sauce.
Yeah, John.
Hey, what's happening, Mark?
Just getting out here.
Nice. You run a local today? I'm just out here farting around with my buddy and his wife. We just put 3 on the boat and I'm gonna go redo the drift. Nice, Fred, man. Yeah. You leave them? Oh yeah.
Nice fish.
Some of my favorite eating fish right there.
Yeah.
Then like next time, Gracia, you can sit down on there and then you can try to get your knee up or you can kind of rest it on the rail or whatever and just try to
Make it
find
easier.
yourself that comfortable position. The Wanus, we got the Wanus set up. We got rod holders all the way around, so you just leave it in the rod holder and grab on and freaking turn the handle. Feeling all right, Gracia?
Yeah.
If you do get seasick, go get the scopolamine patch.
Oh.
You gotta go to the doctor to get a prescription. Your biggest leak rod I put on the Wanu. Husband came out here with his jerk. And he pinned an mackerel on it and he dropped it down and as soon as it came out, well, here you go. No, I don't want to lose this one. You fucking get it, John. On a 350 feet on a 19-pound leak, on dude. I was freaking dying. I was watching a video of the guy catching giant groupers.
And I just found out about spoon.
Oh, you see it?
Under that bird.
No, there's a dolphin or something. It was. Oh,
I just heard him.
yeah, he's right there.
Oh, yep. Yeah, he's just kind of farting around. Get a little fight down there, huh?
I think I have something.
Alright, turn the handle faster.
Oh, maybe not. It certainly felt like it. I don't like that weight. It's so heavy. It's like, brah, brah. What is that? Is that, was that a dolphin or was that the seal?
That's a seal. Then you work the controls to your right.
Okay.
My daughter works there. Dana actually owns Anchorage Edge. So I'm over there, right? And I'm buying some books and some trolling lures. And the guys in there, I see this fucking big cat.
Am I pulling on you? I am?
I can't tell if you're.
Hey, Mark.
Good morning. So yeah, we got 2 legal wings, some reds, some pistachio, a tree fish. It's been pretty good so far.
There it is. They're so pretty. That quick? Oh no, what's in his mouth?
That's a swim bladder.
Oh, it came out or something? Like his...
Yeah, so you pretty much give him the bins. Or he just likes you.
or that. Nice job, babe.
Well, I think it's easier fighting the damn tuna. Got on there.
Nothing.
That little
I do? What?
Yeah.
Oh, his... How do I get here? Adam, you want to help me?
Stick your thumb in his lip. You can throw him in the bag. It's pretty much done.
Look at the biggest fish on the boat right there. Mine. Ugh. Ugh. It's a swim bladder.
Delicacy. You gotta eat that.
You show me first. I see you, homie.
He's only got eyes for the fish.
I know. Makes me sad.
Steve, and he'll come up and eat out of your hand.
Oh, okay.
But it's a seagull, not a pelican.
Steve right there.
The not so fun side of fishing. So my dumb ass, I broke the clip on my GoPro. This little thing right here. So this is a different one. This is what it's supposed to look like. And I broke it like this. And we were standing on the docks cleaning up after fishing. And I had it in here somehow. Anyways, it was in there. And I was standing on the dock and it slipped out, bounced twice, and fell in the water. It's like 12 feet deep right there. No, I did not go in. Somebody had left these long nets next to their boat, so we grabbed them and zip tied them to a long pole, and Adam was scraping the bottom of the water to find it, and he finally pulled it up. He scooped like 3 times, and on the 3rd try, he scooped it up. Whew, I was so thankful. But yeah, so I don't get sick. I don't get seasick, which means that we are probably going to be on the hunt for a boat, which is really exciting. So yeah, it was a good day. We were out there. It's 5 o'clock now. It's been a long day. We caught, I think, about 10 fish. I only caught 1 fish. The boys caught everything else, which is fine, because I had a good time anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Leave me a comment too. Let me know if you like fishing, what you like to do, and where you like to fish.